Everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to the questions in paper 1 of the 2013 JEE Advanced Physics paper. The order I'll be following will be the same as in code 0, but in any other order the questions will be the same, just the order will be different, so you can figure that out for yourself. Let's look at the next one. You have a Young's double slit experiment using monochromatic light, and you need the path difference corresponding to points having half the peak intensity. So there is an assumption to make in this question. Unless something else is given, we have to assume that both the slits have the same width, so that the intensity coming from both the slits is the same. That's not expressly given, but without that it doesn't work. So, and that's a reasonable assumption if nothing is given, I think. So in this question, in that case, we have the formula: the net intensity is equal to 4I0 cos squared delta by 2, where delta is the phase difference, right? And we need this to be 2I0 because half the peak intensity is 4I0. That means cos squared delta by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, or cos delta by 2 is equal to plus minus 1 by root 2, which means delta by 2 is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 4. Right. But what is delta by 2? We know delta is 2 pi times delta x by lambda. So this divided by 2 means x times pi by lambda, which gives us delta x is equal to this into lambda by pi, so n plus minus 1 by 4 lambda. But this doesn't seem to be any one of the options. So the options are all in terms of 2n. So what we can do is, we can just take n is equal to m by 2. Now this is true for any integer, whether this is odd or even. If n is an integer, then 2n will also be an integer, right? Which is m. So we'll just take m is equal to 2n, and we'll just get, I'm only doing this to match with one of the options, right? So this as an answer is completely acceptable. But n has to be equal to m by 2 for an integer m. Right, it doesn't matter whether n is odd. Even if n is 7, 7 is equal to 14 by 2. Right, so m will be 14 then. So it will be m by 2 plus minus 1 by 4 lambda, which is 2m plus minus 1 lambda by 4, which gives us b. Right, so this completes the solution. Thank you.